Listen, we are here this morning time, the marvelous morning, and what's the name of the place? Wuro Giye. I came to Wuro Giye this morning time purposely to hear from the people, to hear from the people of this wonderful area. What are they going to say about our mentor, the Good Samaritan, the political gladiator, Dr. Alhaji Usman Arto and Maifadan Akko? Subsequently, I met so many people with a word of applause, a word of appreciation, a word of applaudiment. Especially this man, you can see, he is about to say thank you to Dr. Alhaji Usman Arto and Maifadan Akko. What are you going to say?
Firstly, my name is Isa Abubakar. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Ya Allah, grant us completeness of faith.
Amen.
Everlasting peace.
Amen.
Abundance of provisions. Fullness of intelligence.
Amen.
Beneficial knowledge.
Amen.
Righteous deeds, good characters and behaviors. Ya Allah, grant us grant us sound health, contentment and strength to safety. Forgive us and our teachers, parents, leaders, more especially Maifadan Akko, because he continues.
Yes, give him a round of applause.
And our emir also contributed immensely toward the progress of this community, sincerely speaking. So we are very glad with how he contributed immensely toward the progress in order, because this is part of what we call laudable program. Because he constructed masjids, mosques in our community, and this is an unforgettable or what we call laudable program in our community, because majority of our people, both male and females, are cooperating to him, and we are glad with his coming out in 2023 for contesting. He will not get a rival in our community.
Amen.
And we will fulfill his promise, inshallah.
Amen.
And one of our boys, Abdullahi Saidu, he was among the beneficiaries of free surgery.
Wow.
Dr. Idi clinic.
That's good.
He was, of course, he is.
Oh, this boy, right?
Yes, he is.
Abdullah, you bring the llama,
yes, of course.
the llama toward this boy.
Yes,
This the boy?
Yes,
Are you talking about this boy?
Yes, of course.
Oh,
He's the one.
Abdullah, right?
Yes, we are.
Abdullah, may Allah give you more health.
Inshallah.
And whenever you pray, you remember your loving one, Maifadan Akko. He is the one that did that. The effort is good. Purposely to see you are looking good and healthy sound. May God bless that Maifadan Akko. Yes, and we have the younger brother here again. Younger brother who is calling.
He's on the line now.
He's on the line. Who was called Abubakar, right? Abubakar by the name. Abubakar, you are going to have the effort of Maifadan Foundation, giving an effort to see you are looking healthy, you're looking sound health. By God's grace, inshallah, you are going to be having that surgery by God's grace. That Maifadan is a wonderful figure in Akko entirely. May God bless him together.
Thank you.
Amen. Amen. And that regard given to Maifadan, inshallah, as if you are just talking in or very close to his ear. He had it by God's grace, inshallah. Immediately I leave this place, I will proceed to send this video to him. And we are all glad together. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. Give him a round of applause. Meangwa, thank you for your effort and thank you for your all encomiums and applaudiment and a word of prayer towards Dr. Alhaji Usman Arto and Maifadan Akko. Thank you. Thank you.